episode 8, and I left on, and then I left on this part, which you can remember over here, and then I have to turn this over and put it right like this. That, and then I need 2 of these light blues, like that. Like that. And then I do that. I have to put the stickers on it. You can see they're like charging things. Next to these, right here, blue things right there. Like that. And then I have to take these off. And right here. Right there, I put it over there. And next, I have to get the window, which I did. And then I have to put it on here. Like those, like that. Close this window. And then I have to do that. I need to like this. Hi. And then I put this right here. 2 of these right there. I need another one right here. And then one right here. Like that. And then put this purple on. Take one of this off. It's kind of hard. Try my best. About 1 minute. There we go. Trying my best to put it in. Because my hands are slippery. But, oh, there, I got it. Oh my God. And so I need these together. And then I need like that. like this. Like that. And yeah. Then I have to put it like that. So this is the end of this video, but this was episode 8. So next is episode 9. So see you again. Bye.